The state of Illinois ranks 6th in the nation for fentanyl-related deaths, but a series of new state laws will go into effect in just a couple weeks. The goal, attacking the opioid crisis head-on. WCI3's Jack Crum live in the newsroom. Jack, how are these new laws different from previous ones that have passed?
Well, Brandon, these are going to put an emphasis on drug awareness and education. So for starters, the state will require all schools to keep bottles of Narcan on campuses. The life-saving antigen won't be the only death-preventing change either.
I think the state is absolutely headed in the right direction with this.
The state of Illinois will introduce several new state laws in the new year. The aim is to bring the number of fentanyl deaths down. It shifts the emphasis from just say no to just be safe.
The message for so long has been, don't do drugs, don't do drugs. The data tells us that message has not worked. So we have to change the conversation now that if you do drugs, here's some informed choices that you need to make. Here's some awareness that you need to have about it, and you need to have a plan.
The new laws will allow healthcare professionals to distribute fentanyl testing strips. Beyond that, all schools will need to keep opium overdose antigens on campus. Joe Trotter is the prevention specialist at Champaign-Urbana Public Health. He says this saves lives.
Any way that we can increase Narcan availability and access is a good thing for our state. The data tells us the more Narcan is available in an area, the less death we have from an overdose.
The state will also require fentanyl education in schools. The founder of Families Against Fentanyl, Jim Rowell, believes fighting the opioid epidemic begins with informed decisions.
Education is the most important. If they know the danger's there, they can be aware of it so that if they're partying together, they can have Narcan with them. They can use test strips. They can, manage their lives and mitigate a lot of the risks that they're taking.
All to be ready for every emergency, regardless of where or how it might take place.
We know that they can happen anywhere. So the idea with this law is to know that a school is a place that could have this thing happen nearby it, and we want teachers and staff and students to be ready to respond if this emergency happens nearby them.
These state laws will officially start on January 1st. Trotter believes this is a great first step for the state to lower those fentanyl-related deaths. Reporting live in the newsroom, Jack Crum, WCI3, your local news leader.
All right, Jack, thank you.